Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and if you're looking to change up your Messenger ringtone sound, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to easily switch things up and customize your ringtone sound. Firstly, open the Facebook Messenger app from your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you open the app, tap on the 3 lines option at the top left corner of the screen. Then click on the setting gear icon that is located just beside the account name. After that, scroll down until you see the notification and sound option and just simply tap on it. Now tap on the ringtone option which is located under the network preferences. Once you tap on the ringtone option, you will see a list of different sounds. Just tap on the one you like the most and it will automatically be set as your new Messenger ringtone. That's it. You've got a new sound for your Messenger ringtone, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.